Number 8. Question number 8 is find three irrational number between rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. The question 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. We have to find three irrational number between these two. As we know, the irrational number are those whose decimal expansions are non-terminating and non-repeating. ना तो repeat हो रही होती है और ना ही terminate हो रही होती है. So how can we find? First we will find the decimal expansion of these two. 5 by 7 is equal to, when you divide, what it will become? 7 ja 49. By placing 0, point will be there in the quotient. What will be left? 10, 7, 1 ja 7, 30, 7 4 ja 28, again 20, 7, 2 ja 14, 60, now 7, 8 ja 56, again 40, 7 5 ja 35. What is left? Here you can see कि 5 is there. 5 दोबारा आ गया. So that means the whole process will repeat. The whole process will repeat again. That means the answer is of this is 0.714285 bar. As I told in the question number, previous question, कि the decimal expansion of any rational number in repeating decimal expansion will be what it will be? It will be less than that of denominator. Here you can see कि 6 decimal, the numbers are repeating. 6, only 6. It not be greater than that of denominator. Denominator से ज़्यादा नहीं होने चाहिए. So you can see कि 6 आ रहे हैं. Okay? तो इससे हमारा पहला वाला क्वेश्चन भी satisfy हो रहा है. Now the second is 9 by 11. By this we can again we will divide 9 by 11. The answer will be 11 8 ja 88 by 90 will be there. The point will be there. 11 8 ja 88. Now 20 11 1 ja 11 9. Again you can see कि 9 remainder आ गया, तो the whole process will repeat. The answer of this will be 0.81 bar. Okay. Now how can you find three irrational number between these two? कैसे आप इसे find करेंगे? Now this is 0.714285 and this is 0.81. As we know, it is greater than this. ये इससे बड़ा है, तो इसके बीच के नंबर पकड़ लीजिए. Take the number in between these two. Let's suppose 72 ले लिया हमने. The first number will be irrational number. 0.72 ले लिया. 0 72 00 72 000 72 4 zeros. Like this you can write. Now take one more. 73 0.73 00 73 00 73 30 000 73 4 zeros. So on you can write. Take one more. 7 8 10 78 00 78 000 78 4 zeros. Like this you can write. These are three. ना तो repeat हो रहे हैं, ना ही end हो रहे हैं. That means terminate हो रहे हैं. तो you can write. Repeat भी नहीं बनाना है आपने और ना ही terminate बनाना है. 7210. अब यहाँ पर हम देखें 0 is repeating, but यहाँ पर 2 0 आ गए, तो it is not repeating as well. यहाँ पर 3 zeros आ गए. 72 और 0 repeat कर रहे हैं. 72 0 repeat कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एक 0 आ गया. तो how can you say it is repeating? हम नहीं कह सकते कि repeat कर रहा है. तो करना क्या है, 7 2 पकड़ेंगे, 1 0 लगेंगे, 7 2 then 2 0 7 2 3 0 7 2 4 0 so on. Okay, now moving on to question number 9. The question is, the next question is, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational number. By looking at it, what you have to describe, what you have to find, whether they are rational or irrational after only looking at it. Now, first one I am telling root 23. As I told कि बटा irrational number, irrational number are those कि जो perfect square ना हो, under root में हो, they are irrational. So though it is not a 23 is not a perfect square. Is not a perfect square, so it is irrational. The first one is irrational. The first one is irrational. So at last you will write root 23 is irrational number. Okay. The second one is root 225. Root 225. We know that 225 is a square of 15, or you can write, you can find by making prime factorization method 375 ja, 325 ja, 5 ja, and 5 1 ja. So 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, but you can write 3 square and 5 square. Square will cut root, square will cut this root. So answer will be 3 into 5, that is 15. So then you will write 15 is a perfect square. Sorry, 2 to 5 is a perfect square. Perfect square of 15. So it is rational. So it is rational. Now moving on to third part. Third is 39.3976. 0.39 3976. Here we can see 3976 3796. Oh, sorry, 3796. Whatever it is, no problem. 3796. After looking at it, what we can say कि after some time we have a decimal expansion terminating. That means हमें ऐसा नंबर मिल रहा है जो टर्मिनेट हो जा रहा है. तो terminating, it is terminating. It is terminating. Terminating means rational number. या तो terminating हो, अगर terminating नहीं है तो non terminating recurring होना चाहिए. तो here it is terminating, so it is a, आप लिखेंगे its decimal expansion is coming terminating. That means it is a rational number. Okay. Now fourth part, this 7.478478. You can write 7.478, but the decimal expansion is not non-terminating and repeating. And non-terminating, you will write decimal expansion is non-terminating and recurring. अगर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग आता है, रिकरिंग आता है, तो दैट मीन्स इट इज रैशनल नंबर. ओनली सिर्फ इरैशनल का है डिफरेंस. इरैशनल में क्या होता है? इरैशनल दैट मीन्स नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटिंग इज वेल. इरैशनल में डिफरेंस सिर्फ इतना है, अगर वो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है और रिकरिंग है तो दैट मीन्स इट विल बी अ रैशनल नंबर. अगर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग नहीं आता है, नॉन रिपीटिंग एज वेल, तो वो क्या होगा? इरैशनल नंबर होगा. तो फिफ्थ वन इज fifth one solution. The fifth one is 1.10 100 100 1 4 zeros and 1 so on. Here we can see कि 10 रिपीट कर रहा है, 10 रिपीट कर रहा है, लेकिन ये रिपीट नहीं कर रहा. तो इट इज कमिंग since the decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating, non-terminating and non-repeating, hence it is an irrational number. Irrational number. So very important topic it is कि how to find rational or irrational on the basis of decimal expansion. As I told in the definition as well कि पहले आपने क्लास 8 में पढ़ा था which can be in the form of p upon q. अब तक हमने किसी भी डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन को p अपॉन q की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना सीख गए. तो p अपॉन q की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो सकता है, तो दे आर रैशनल नंबर्स. तो हियर एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन द डेफिनेशन इज हुज डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. अगर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है तो वो रिपीटिंग होनी चाहिए, रिपीटिंग है तो वो p अपॉन q की फॉर्म में हम उसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. हियर ये ना तो टर्मिनेट हो रहा है ना ही रिपीट हो रहा है, तो इट कैन नॉट बी कन्वर्टेड इन द फॉर्म p upon q. तो ये इरेशनल नंबर होगा. ओके